So we've completed the model checker setup, and now we're ready to run. We go up to the Run button, and because we've already set the configuration file, all we need to do now is to say what we're going to run the report on. It gives us the option to add more models or remove models, or we can check any linked files or uncheck linked files, but we're just going to say Run Report. And it runs through all of the entities in the model and then gives us this checklist. It also tells us what's included, so we can expand any of these. So floor space, components, and then not included, then facility. And what this does, this verifies all of the checks that we've done. We get the option to either copy it to the clipboard or save it to HTML file. Now, with the checks themselves, what we need to do then is to look further, delve further as to find out if things have failed, what they've actually failed on. So we've got a good 95% pass, but let's look at some of the things that have failed. So this one says here we have one that's not failed. So its required parameters have values. So we can scroll down and it says which ones are okay. So it's saying these ones do not have values. Here we are with component. So we're going to expand that. So description's not there, and if we expand the description, it tells us, and actually gives us a little image to say what the ones are that do not have the values, like so. So that's really useful. Let's make this just a touch bigger so we can see what's going on a bit better. And then the warranty date as well. And it shows us again all objects that don't have warranty dates. So we could look in the appropriate schedule and find those and give them the appropriate information. So it's run all the tests, and it's been very successful. A few items to change, but then we know exactly what we want. We can export it, we can save it as an Excel, we can save it as an HTML, but we'll just close this. And at any stage we want to see it, we can go back to View Report, and it shows us exactly what we reported on. So all that's left for us to do then is to amend these changes and run the test again.